Hey everyone! Do you want to remove Messenger pin code? Here are the step-by-step guide. First, open your Messenger app and tap the settings or the privacy and safety. And here tap end-to-end encrypted chats and select message storage. Then here choose delete or turn off secure storage, and this removes the stored PIN or 40-character code. Confirm the action. If you only want to reset the PIN, tap reset PIN or reset your security method and follow the prompts. Note: deleting secure storage may delete encrypted backups. If you don't have the PIN restore key, those E2EE messages might not recoverable. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.